Why should you choose Luber-finer filters for last-mile delivery vehicles? Because they are built to do more for cargo vans and medium-duty trucks through some of the toughest driving conditions. Conditions like frequent idle time, stop-and-go driving, hot weather, cold starts, and polluted environments. Conditions that can lead to increased wear and tear, unwanted repair costs, or having to take vehicles out of service prematurely. With oil filters that are engineered for high burst pressure and impulse fatigue strength. Engine air filters that increase operating efficiency while keeping dust, dirt, and debris from impacting engine performance. Cabin air filters that reduce airborne contaminants and remove allergens in the vehicle's cabin. And fuel filters that keep unwanted contaminants from damaging vital fuel system components. Together, our filters help last-mile fleets maximize uptime, increase fuel efficiency, minimize repair costs, decrease downtime, and extend vehicle life. What makes our filters better? It starts with a painstaking manufacturing process and filtration media made from a variety of natural and synthetic fibers for superior performance and dependability, followed by rigorous testing to ensure our filters meet or exceed the performance requirements that matter most: capacity, restriction, and efficiency, and coverage that meets form, fit, and function for the most popular last-mile vehicles on the road today. To stay profitable in today's environment, last-mile fleets can't afford to postpone maintenance or skimp on the quality of their filtration. Give yourself a competitive advantage with Luber-finer filters and see how our filters work harder for hard-working last-mile vehicles. Place your order today at luberfiner.com/lastmile or on the Luber-finer mobile app.